Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today we are talking about space infrastructure and why SpaceX is only one visible signal of a much bigger technology shift. Let us start with the technology first. Space infrastructure means the systems above Earth are becoming more repeatable, networked, and usable by other systems. It is not just one rocket launch. It is reusable launch. It is satellite networks. It is direct-to-device connectivity. It is lunar landing logistics. It is ground systems, telemetry, autonomy, communications, navigation, licensing, and safety. In simple terms, space is moving from rare expedition toward infrastructure. Let us understand this with a simple everyday example. Imagine a remote island. At first, reaching the island requires a special expedition. A custom ship is prepared. A special crew is assembled. Supplies are packed for one trip. Every journey is expensive, risky, and unusual. Now imagine the island slowly gets a ferry route, docks, radios, maps, fuel service, weather reporting, emergency response, and regular schedules. The island did not become simple. The ocean is still dangerous. The boats still need skilled crews, but the island becomes part of an operating network. That is the space shift. Reusable rockets are like the ferry. Satellite networks are like the communications grid. Ground stations and launch pads are like ports. Telemetry is like observability. Licensing and safety rules are the operating rules. Lunar communications and navigation are the beginning of infrastructure for a second environment. Now back to the actual technical concept. SpaceX matters because it makes the reusable transport part visible. Starship is described as a fully reusable transportation system for crew and cargo to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The important idea is not hype around one company. The important idea is repeatability. The old rocket question was, can this vehicle fly once? The infrastructure question is, can the whole system fly, return, be inspected, repaired, refueled, authorized, and flown again with predictable risk? That includes engines, heat protection, flight software, telemetry, launch pads, recovery, weather, range safety, and licensing. So a reusable rocket program is not only a rocket program, it is a logistics system with extreme physics. Then look at satellites. A modern satellite network is not just a few objects in orbit, it is a distributed system. The nodes move. Power is limited. The links change. Software updates matter. Ground stations matter. Security matters. Route taking and failure recovery matter. This is why direct-to-device satellite connectivity is interesting. The early versions will be constrained. Ordinary phones have small antennas, spectrum is limited, capacity is limited. So the first useful cases are likely practical. Emergency messaging, remote coverage, resilience when terrestrial networks fail, and basic connectivity in places without towers. That is still a big shift. Space becomes part of ordinary communications infrastructure. Now look at the Moon. NASA's Artemis work needs landing systems that move astronauts from lunar orbit to the surface and back. NASA's broader Moon to Mars architecture is about repeatable missions, science, logistics, and future Mars preparation. And NASA's Luna network points toward interoperable lunar communications, navigation, timing, and information services. That means future lunar missions should not each invent every network and navigation layer from scratch. They need shared services. That is how a destination becomes an operating environment. The catch is that space infrastructure is still hard. Reusable does not mean easy. Direct to phone does not mean unlimited broadband from space. The Moon does not become a normal data center. And regulation is not just bureaucracy outside the system. For launch systems, safety review, environmental constraints, mishap investigation, and licensing directly shape how often the system can operate. So the clear takeaway is this. Do not think of SpaceX only as rockets. Think of it as one signal that space is becoming a working layer in the technology stack. The future is not only humans going farther away. The future is more of Earth's technology stack extending upward. Transport, networking, navigation, sensing, operations, security, and shared services. In simple terms, space is becoming infrastructure. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish. I will see you in the next episode.